Rahma Community Services is registered charity and non-profit organization. It works for seniors, women and newcomers.
Under the guidance of late Moinuddin, in 1990 we developed a specific commitment towards forming an organization called Rahma Community Services. Rahma Community Service was committed for the senior and seniors family.
Once the services for the seniors were settled and taking place, we decided to use the structure that we had to spread our wings and look at the other major segment of the community which needed help, which were the women of the community.
Last year, Rahma was funded from IDRF for our food enterprise program. For the first part, we had the training for the women in culinary skills.
These are 30 immigrant women new to Canada. They faced a lot of economic challenges. What they've done is they've received their food certification from the City of Toronto. They've received culinary skills training and resume training on how to start their own business. So some of these women have already got their own jobs, which is great. Others have worked or are working for Rahma with the Meals on Wheels program, where they're preparing the meals on a part-time basis. So they've secured employment here. And the other ones we're confident are going to be successful as well. So this project was a first time, it was a pilot project, and it's been a huge success.
Having the opportunity to speak directly with the women who participate in the program, hearing from them not only what they learned, but the relationships that they've developed with each other and what that means to them is just an incredible feeling, and is one that we're so excited to be here to celebrate and to celebrate these women and their achievements.
All of them really have accomplished a lot, and they themselves feel empowered.
I learned a lot. I made so many friends from different countries, cooking different types of food. I learned them, I met them, and I enjoyed with them.
Thanks for Rahma Community Center to give us that certificate.
It makes me feel really excited about my future in restaurateur, physical training and nutrition, and this will help me take a further step towards my ambitions and my goals.
And therefore we decided that we will develop a program where the meals are prepared in our Rahma house and then supplied to them in their home free once a week.
Our Halal Meals on Wheels program serves the seniors with healthy, nutritious and halal cooked meals.
This program is very much needed because our seniors have limitations.
There are a large number of seniors who are living all by themselves, no family, and they really find it difficult to go for shop and to cook.
So they find it hard, so they make packaged meals and they eat something which is not sometimes nutritionally well.
It also deals with people who have physical disabilities, people who have health problems.
Our packages come which are nutritionally balanced. It helps them to health-wise get improved. So we feel that in many ways Halal Meal on Wheels is a useful activity for the community.
We get here at 9 o'clock in the morning with a group of ladies, and everybody's being given a task. Everybody has in a very good condition in terms of personal hygiene. Everybody's putting hairnet on, everybody has an apron on, everybody's putting on gloves. Everything that we receive here in terms of meats are halal, and they're donated by Muslim Welfare.
Rahma really appreciates the generous contributions of Muslim Welfare Center toward our Halal Meals on Wheels program.
We're truly privileged to be able to partner with Rahma Community Services and their Halal Meals on Wheels program for seniors.
I encourage you to generously donate your support to the seniors.
For approximately $5, you can sponsor one meal. So for $5, if you think about it for a moment, you can support a senior in need with a hot, nutritious meal that's prepared by people who love to do this, who donate their time and their resources, and most importantly, this is delivered to their doorsteps. This meal service is once a week. With your contributions, with your support, we will inshallah be able to do this not just once a week, but inshallah every day of the week.
I appreciate for this service really. They are give us service at the home, and we enjoy that service. And we are thank you very, very, very much.
It is delivered in a good way.
The service was good. They were coming at our building. Thank you very much.
A very easier program, and I thanks them.
Rehma has improved a lot, and it will be a good idea to start on daily basis.
I am very happy to get this food, and it's very nice and delicious food, and we really appreciate for that. And we bless all of you, that God bless you with good health, wealth and happiness. And what you are doing, we really appreciate for that. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
To send your donations, you can visit our website www.rehma-cs.org. You can call us at 416-510-0880.